Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. So the Ipsy Glam Bag X is when they have a special edition curator, so a special guest. So in this case, the curator is Becky G. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag X featuring Becky G, the American singer and actress. So I've opened this just enough to be able to open it. I only glanced inside, I only saw one item that I recognized right away, but let's just get right into it. So, I love the way these boxes are just like so extra. Whoa! So as you can see, there's a lot going on. So first off, I thought this was cool that there's like a little newsletter. And again, this is Glam Bag X curated by Becky G. And so it's just a peek inside her shelfie. So it's a little bit about the products that are in here. Oh, I'm excited because I actually don't know what's in here. Okay, so might not be very interesting for me to show you a newsletter, but just heads up, that's in there. So the first thing I saw when I was just opening this to save time was Milk Makeup's Rise Mascara. I love Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is my favorite vegan skincare, my favorite vegan makeup brand. And I'm always happy to have a new mascara. This is the one with the curvy wand to really lift and separate your lashes. So I'm about due for a fresh mascara, and I'm happy that it's a Milk Makeup mascara because it's my favorite vegan makeup brand. So super excited. And this is a full size, so that's already you know that's a good deal. All right, so what do we have next? Ooh, Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. So I actually don't buy Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup products anymore. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But I won't turn down a nice full-size loose powder, translucent. And that is, wow, this is huge. But yeah, full size. And I always need translucent powder whenever I'm doing my makeup. That comes very much in handy. So again, happy to have that. Let's see what's next. Wow, this is quite a few things in here. Oh, you know what? I didn't even show you guys the bag because the bag was at the bottom. Ooh, it's velvet. There's not quite velvet. It's almost, what is this? It's not quite velvet. Maybe it is. Anyways, let me not bore you with those details, but that's kind of cool. This is a double bag, which is fun. So you have two compartments, you have two zippers, and it came like this. It was already unzipped. I guess they wanted you to be able to see that it does have two compartments. I'm trying to puff it out, but that's cool. So in one side, you can have that. And then, of course, the other side, you can separate, I don't know, skincare and makeup. That's a cool bag. So I do like that. I like the color. I like that it's a dual bag. I love the material. It feels kind of like velvet, but not quite. Kind of like a soft material you might feel like on a couch. Maybe it is velvet. I'm not sure. Anyways, moving on. All right. So there are 1, 2, wow, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items total. Holy cow. So, and this was sent to me complimentary by Ipsy. This was gifted by Ipsy, so very generous. I'll have to take a look at what the value is for this box later, but I'm not familiar with this brand. This is new to me. This brand is called Balance Me. Balance Me Trimolecular Hyaluronic Serum. Ooh, hyaluronic acid, yarrow, and aloe vera. This is suitable for all skin types. Ooh. I am always excited to learn about a new brand of skincare, new to me. And this brand is called Balance Me. And I always need serum. I do a lot of skincare treatments every night with my little micro current device from Foreo, as well as my Solo Waves. So I always need serums to do that. So I'm excited to have that. This is Day. This is Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, calms frizz, softens and hydrates, protects hair from breakage. So although I'm wearing my hair extremely short right now, I do still like to care for the hair that I have, that I choose to have. So I like to keep it soft and shiny and moisturized. So something like this, a leave-in conditioner, really works great on my hair texture. My hair texture is kind of a medium coarse texture, so I really benefit from any kind of frizz-fighting, moisturizing hair products like this. So I'm happy to have that. What do we got next? What's this? Another brand that's new to me. I'm not familiar with this brand. This is KENIA ONTIVEROS, or KENIA ONTIVEROS. This is Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the shade Pink Vibes Ultra Matte. Ooh, I like the sound of this. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Honestly, with a name like Ultra Pink, I thought it was going to be like neon or fuchsia or like super bright. But this is kind of like, it looks like to me like a carnation pink. Let's go ahead and give that a swipe. Yeah, it's more like a carnation pink, don't you think? A dark carnation pink. Very neutral, nude pink. I do like the packaging. It looks very sophisticated, very kind of glamorous, but low-key glamorous. And we're letting that formula dry on my hand, but that is a pretty shade. That's a great everyday, just when you don't know what lip color to wear, you could just pop that on. So looking forward to trying that out. Next we have Living Proof, another hair product. Triple Bond Complex Hair Strengthener. How do you use this? Let's see. Triple Bond Complex is scientifically proven to make hair 8 times stronger and more resistant to future damage while adding softness, smoothness, and shine manageability after just one use. The weekly one-step treatment can be easily inserted into your post-shower routine, no rinsing needed. So what you do is you start with 2 pumps, you apply it to clean, damp hair and comb through, and for best results, wait 10 minutes and blow dry, use weekly. So I guess it's like a once-a-week treatment, a weekly treatment. Okay, I'll have to try that. And I've got 2 more items. This is Kate Somerville. Ooh. This is Kate Somerville. This is EradiKate Acne Mark Fading Gel with niacinamide and prebiotic complex. This is a salicylic acid acne treatment. And this is 2% salicylic acid. That always comes in handy when you're having a breakout or you have some post-acne marks that you want to fade. So this will definitely come in handy, especially when it's that time of a month and I get some hormonal breakouts. This can help that to heal faster, so cool. And Kate Somerville does make great skincare. If you've not tried any of her stuff before, treat yourself, you deserve it. And this is the last item. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. This is TRESLÚCE, or TRESLÚCE, or TRESLÚCE. TRESLÚCE Beauty, La Flor de México, the flower of Mexico, or Mexican flower. And it is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. I've heard a bit of buzz about this brand. And I believe you can get this, don't quote me, I believe you can get this brand at Target, I think. And that's a very, sorry, I have to like, I don't really get to see what I'm doing when I'm filming, so I have to look over the camera into the mirror. But wow, this is, here, let me put this to the side just so I can see for a second. Wow, this is a nice, neutral color story. So let me take a look right quick. Okay, so we've got, it looks like mattes and shimmers. Mattes and shimmers. Wow, this is an interesting color story. It's very neutral, but yeah, I'm excited to have that. Wow, what a great glam bag. And usually I like to try to put everything in the glam bag, but I think this time around, I don't think everything's gonna fit in here. We can try. Let's see. All right, there's the eyeshadow palette. That already took up a big chunk of the bag. And we can try the lip product and the mascara. Look at that, there we go. So we got some of our makeup in. And on the other side, I mean, we could try to put some skincare in, maybe, yeah? Of course, we could take everything out of the box, but what fun would that be for this video? So let's put in the serum, and let's put in the acne treatment. And let's see, oh, no, I think we got it. I think we can do it. We did it. So all we have left is 2 of the hair products, as well as another piece of makeup. But yeah, very cool. So go ahead and check out the link below. Check out Ipsy, no referral code, no discount code, sorry. But if you want to check it out, this is the kind of stuff you get. I forget how much it is. Forgive me, that's really bad of me not to say. But you'll find all that information. And they have different plans, so you can get like the Ipsy Glam bag, which is the traditional bag. That's always a great value. There's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this is the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and this time it is curated by Becky G. So thank you so much, Ipsy, for this awesome Glam Bag X, and thank you guys so much for watching. That is it. Go ahead and leave questions and comments down below. I love it when you guys interact with me, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.